what are we doing?
I don't know.
Tiffany, do you like the new home?
Little toasters and stuff.
Check all the
We have a
lights.
pantry now. And a fire.
Look, this is the walk-in pantry. Kitchen. Ah, there's more room. Check all the lights, kids.
Daddy, it's locked.
It's so cool.
You can have it.
Do you like the house?
There is
Do you like the house?
Yeah.
Freya lives there. Somewhere there.
Where goes here?
Come inside the garage. Hi, Ethan.
Hello.
Wow. Can you keep walking?
Just go. I'm wearing white socks. And I have white socks. I mean, 30. Don't push it too far.
Tiffany, come inside. Tiffany, tell your viewers about your new house. Come on, show it to them.
New house, and it has 4 rooms. You're twisting it, Daddy. You're doing it the right way or something. And we have a big backyard. And we
Yes.
have some stairs. And
Do you want to show the inside house?
yeah. Come on, guys. I will go inside the house. Look at the house. And look at the fireplace. And this is the cleaning of materials. And look at that. And here we go. And it's twist. But you can't twist it. But you can see inside here.
Mm.
And you just
Open the window.
it's already open.
Yeah. Tiffany, open the windows. Yeah, yeah.
I can't open the window.
exactly.
I didn't see the bathroom.
Look at the window, and here's the bathroom.
That's just a spare toilet.
Here's the bathroom,
Come here.
and here's the room. These are the rooms,
The
and
master.
here's the closet to hide to, and for no one to Eddie. Well, I got see that.
Where's the other bathroom? Where's the other bathroom?
This is bedroom.
Wait,
Room 1 goes
turn it off, Daddy.
That's the main bedroom.
Bathtub. The shower. And with a fan.
But this is for the. Oh yeah, it's for the AC, I think.
Over there is like walk around the house.
Some more fans. Wood. How do I use that? Tiffany, no. Oh.
Winter is coming. Where are we gonna put the Christmas tree? Ah, you can put the Christmas tree there on Christmas.
It will get sawed off. Tiffany, stop! You're gonna break it.
Yeah, it's going down.
How do we stop it now?
Just have to wait. Once you put 0, Yes, just wait for it to stop.
No, Tiffany.
Tiffany, come here. What else is in here?
Move out the way! Move out the way, Cleo. Cleo, move out the way.
Daddy, you can't bring your friends already. It's alright.
No, I don't have to do it.
Yeah. Off.
That's hard.
They're not working. They're not
No.
not go. Okay, that's off. Medium go. Go ahead.
Okay, that's it.
Look at that. It's really loud.
And what is off?
We need to mop the floor tomorrow. That's the chimney. Whoa, very old.
That's good. Can use firewood.
What do you like about the house? What do you think?
Fire.
Do you like the house?
We have a new neighbor. That's why I open like.
Okay, are we done? Inspecting.
No, final session. Tip. Tiffany, look at that. It's not bad.
That's the laundry.
Cleaning. Not for the floor. It's for cleaning the campfire.
Yeah, don't play with that. That's dangerous.
Where's the bin here?
We don't have anything yet. We haven't put the bin.
Daddy, look.
Guys, you wanna say bye? You wanna say bye to my vlog?
Wait, hold up. 3.
You wanna say bye to my vlog?
Not yet.
Not yet, okay.
3.
Bye.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
Hey, here's the bin. Here's the bin.
You got one for recycling, one for
23.
non-moving. So you can put the quality.
24, 25, 26,
Oh,
27,
nothing.
28. 28 is storage in the kitchen.
Alright, that's all. Now I need to go and break.
Say bye, guys.
Bye guys.
See you in our next vlog.
See you later.
Bye, Dad.
I'm gonna upload today.
Love you guys.
What's your
Say
name?
goodbye.
Tiffany.
Say goodbye. Anyways, bye bye. Subscribe now.
Unsubscribe.
Or else I'm gonna be under your bed.
Hmm.